Hello, guys. It is Bobby here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be destroying Windows 8.1. Now, I love this computer with all my heart, and I have no intention in destroying it. I just want to destroy it to make my YouTube fans excited, because they love when something gets destroyed. Now, when I do get a really bad virus on here, I do have genuine apps that can get the virus off without me factory resetting the computer, because I know people have virus that just factory reset the computer, but I actually care about the stuff I have on here. So I saw some people, they went on a thing called malware list. I'm just going to type that in. Malware list. I think this was the site. No, this wasn't the exact site I went on. I think it... Was it this one? No, I think it's this one. Yeah. Yeah, it was this one. These are loads of different viruses, I think. I want to look for a Trojan. Actually, we're not going to go on this website. Install virus, I'm going to put. See, you type in install bad virus and you get like all things that say install virus cleaner. I don't want that. I want an actual virus that can destroy my computer. So I'm gonna keep trying anyway. The antivirus, that just fix it. I don't need that. Why don't I just go on a dodgy website, like a dodgy games website or something? Hey, here we go. There might be a forum or something. Oh, I know. Why don't I install Bonsai Buddy? Bonsai Buddy. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, Bonsai Buddy. I think they've made a new version now because people were saying, "Oh, it's gonna hack me," and all that. But yeah. So yeah, they made the new version. It's not the original one because he talks like Gel now, I believe. I'm gonna download that. I think I download, I talk, I email, I browse. So he does all that stuff. Pretty handy. Okay, guys. So I do apologise if my recorder just randomly goes off, but I'm in 3 minutes now on the recording because I'm only using the free standard version. I only get 15 minutes, so I still have quite a while to do what I need to do. But where's the download gone? I might have to press it again. Oh, it's there. I didn't see it come up. I have the pause button there. Okay, says it's opening in 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, so Bonsai Buddy is just about to open up, and we're gonna see if we actually get a virus. I'm not gonna push on any of these up here because I just don't want to. Failed. Virus detected. Oh, so it's actually stopping people from downloading it now because of thingy. Because of viruses. I don't even have virus protection on here, and it's still blocking it. So So it's not gonna let me open it, so I'm just gonna close that up. That was such a shame because I've never actually thingy Bondo buddy. Anyway, let's type in. I know you can get loads of different toys, SpongeBob, but I'm gonna go for the Pingu one, as I used to love him when I was little. Yeah, so here it is. Download. Hoping this one don't block it, because that was a bit foolish. I don't have no antivirus software, yet it blocked me from opening it. It might do the same, because all I know is there were rumours going around that, oh no, this one's actually working. I might get the SpongeBob one as well, so they can meet. Sounds a bit weird. Right, so I'm on 6 minutes of the video, and I have 15. Oh my god, Pingu, where are you? Pingu. He's actually here. Oh my god. And so Pingu's gonna stay there. No, I'm liking Pingu. Huh. That is so clever, guys. Like, okay, guys. So, okay, so there should be other things. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys, so there used to be something else on here. So yeah, he can do like quite a few good things on here. Where should I stick him? I'm gonna stick him up here. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So sorry for that. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get the SpongeBob one now. Download now. Yes. The other screen recording software I was using was Screencastify Lite, and that literally only recorded 8 minutes on the standard version. But this one records 15 minutes on the standard version, and I don't like paying for things, so I feel I'm not safe. So, where's it? Oh. Actually, I don't want to get this. I want to see if I can get the original thingy mouse. Oh, so he does randomly just do stuff. Sorry about my spelling, guys. I'm kind of rushing because of the timer. With a long tail. I'm not. Screen mouse. Why isn't it coming up? I'm trying to search for you know the original mouse that come on Windows, like the one with the long tail. I want to download that. Okay. Long mouse. Ah, here, I might be able to customize it. Have you ever wanted to change your mind about mouse pointers on the default scheme in Windows? Perhaps you want. In this article, we will. Oh! This supports my browser. Okay. No, I'm not gonna do this, guys. I don't know if you can still see, but I've gone on to the Windows 8 Start menu. Let me know down in the comments if you saw that, because I didn't think the desktop would let you view anything else I went on apart from Google and this desktop. So yeah, I'm going to go back to Pingu now, because I've left them all alone. I've got 30 minutes left. What should I do? Well, basically I've got 1 minute now. What do you think of your desktop, Pingu? Do you like it? Oh, he broke my computer. I'm gonna put him there and do it. He's going around in circles.